FLA Academy by Ghazal, and in our today's class our topic is verb être. In our previous class we have covered pronom sujet, that is subject pronouns in French, and in today's class we will be learning verb être, that how do we add auxiliary verb in those subject pronouns. So verb être, if I talk about the meaning of this verb, is to be. Okay, this is the meaning of this verb, and this is one of the irregular verb in French. This is one of the irregular in French, and the meaning of the verb is to be. Now if I talk about this verb, this is one of the basic verb, but it is one of the most important verb in French, which gonna be useful for our complex level questions as well. For when we'll be going ahead with the grammar and things, this verb is very essential. So it's very important that you learn this verb very carefully. Okay, now this is a very easy verb. Meaning I have told you. Okay, usage now I'm gonna tell you. This is one of the auxiliary verb. Auxiliary verb. What are the auxiliary verbs? If you know, do you know what is the auxiliary verbs? Auxiliary verbs are the helping verbs. Like for example, in English we have is, am, are. In French we have verb être. Okay, so in English when we have is, am, are, in French the verb is called être. Why is, am, are, will, shall, have, has, have, these verbs are called helping verbs या auxiliary verbs. इनको हम helping verbs या फिर auxiliary verbs क्यों बोलते हैं? एक तो होता है to eat, to play, to sit, to run. These are the normal verbs. But जो हमारा is, am, are, will, shall, has, have, was, were, ये हमारे सारे क्या होते हैं? Helping verbs. ये क्यों helping verbs बोलते हैं इन्हें? Because जब हम ये verbs अपने किसी sentence में डालते हैं तो इन verbs के थ्रू हम ये denote कर पाते हैं कि action के होने का time क्या था. जैसे अगर मैं बोलूँ the boy was playing, तो मतलब जब मैंने ये was ऐड किया इस सेंटेंस के अंदर, तो इस सेंटेंस के थ्रू मैं ये जान पा रही हूँ दैट ये एक्शन जो हुआ है ये पास्ट में हुआ है, क्योंकि बॉय जो है वो पास्ट में खेल रहा था. अगर इंस्टेड इफ आई से दिस द बॉय इज प्लेइंग, दैट मीन्स द बॉय इज प्लेइंग, मतलब वो प्रेजेंट में खेल रहा है. तो ये इज, एम, आर, वॉज, वर जो होता है हमारा हेल्पिंग वर्ब्स इसलिए बोला जाता है इनको, बिकॉज दे एक्चुअली टेल्स अस द टाइमिंग ऑफ द एक्शन विच इज हैपनिंग. अब आ जाते हैं, हम बात करते हैं एत्र पे, which is one of the auxiliary verb जिसका meaning है to be. अगर मैं इंग्लिश में बात करूँ तो is, am और are. ठीक है, अब बात करते हैं कि हम इसे कॉन्जुगेट करते हैं. जैसे हाउ डू वी कॉन्जुगेट दिस वर्ब? जैसे हम ही के साथ इज लगाते हैं, आई के साथ एम लगाते हैं, यू के साथ आर लगाते हैं, वैसे ही देयर आर डिफरेंट वेज कि हम वर्ब एत्र को डिफरेंट सब्जेक्ट प्रोनाउन के साथ डिफरेंटली कॉन्जुगेट करते हैं. टू कॉन्जुगेट एनी वर्ब, to conjugate, मैं short form लिख रही हूँ, to conjugate any verb, the first step is to write subject pronouns. तो अगर मैं आपको एक क्वेश्चंस दूँ कि conjugate verb être, तो first step आपका होना चाहिए the table. You will be writing the subject pronouns which we have done in our previous class as well. Je, tu, il, elle, and you tell me yes. Nous, vous, il, and elle. Right? This is our first step while doing the conjugation. Now when I come to the second step, अब आ जाते हैं हम conjugation पे. ठीक है? तो conjugation of verb is like this. Je suis. Okay. Tu es. Okay. Il est. Okay, and LA. Understood? Je suis, tu es, il est, and LA. वहाँ पर आ जाती हूँ. Nous sommes, vous êtes, ils sont, elles sont. Meaning अभी देखते हैं. Je suis का मतलब है I am. I am. Tu es. You are. You are. Il est. He or it is. And elle again. She or it is. nous sommes, we are, vous êtes, you are. Again telling you, this you are is for singular and informal one, and this you are is for plural and formal one. We have covered this in our last video, so please go and watch it out. This means they are, and this also means they are. So simple. This is the conjugation of verb être. You need to cram. Cram means you have to learn, you have to memorize this into रट्टा लगाना पड़ेगा इस verb का, because this is one of the irregular verbs. हमारे regular verbs हम बाद में करेंगे, but अभी हमारे ये basic irregular verbs हैं जो हम इसे auxiliary verbs भी बोलते हैं, which is very important. तो अगर आपको ये verb आ जाता है तो आप इसके बाद आप धीरे धीरे थोड़े बहुत sentences बनाने start कर सकते हैं, and you can actually start speaking French. जैसे if I tell you about one of the example, let's take one of the example with this verb. Let's say for example, और जैसे कि I told you that try to learn the vocabulary on your own. जैसे कुछ adjectives हैं या कुछ ऐसी चीज़ें हैं which you can search it on Google and try to speak and try to learn. जैसे अगर मैं एक example लूँ, अगर मुझे बोलना है किसी को that you are intelligent. Let's say अगर मुझे अपनी friend को बोलना है that you are intelligent, तो मैं बोलूँगी tu es intelligent. Tu es intelligent. Why intelligent? Because my friend is feminine, so that's why I'm using the feminine version of the adjective. I have added e, और मैं tu है इसलिए लगा रही हूँ because I'm talking to friend. तो यहाँ पर मैं mention कर देती हूँ friend. That's why I have added tu a. But similarly, if I have to say the same sentence to my boss, let's say, then I'll be saying vous êtes intelligent. तो ये मेरी boss के लिए है. She is also female, so the same spellings will be there. Vous êtes intelligent. और अगर मैं किसी एक student को बोल रही हूँ तो फिर tu es intelligent, and if I am saying to the whole group that you all are intelligent, then again also I'm going to say vous êtes intelligent. And this way you can actually start speaking French and start speaking some sentences in French. I hope you like this video, and I hope that you have learned verb être really well. And if you have any doubt, you can comment down in the comment box. I'll be checking it out and I'll be clearing up your doubts if I can take a doubt session. And if you want to take my classes and if you want to learn more about French, you can contact us, because if you will go to our channel, please go to our channel, subscribe the channel, and in the description of the channel you can see the numbers mentioned where you can contact us for the classes. I take online and offline classes both. For all the levels I can take, I also prepare for the international exams like TEF, TCF, DELF. And if you are a school student and watching this video, then, and if you belong to CBSE, ICSE, IB or IGCSE, you are always welcome here. I can make French easy for you, so learn French with ease. Merci, à bientôt.